Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you were using your Wix website, but suddenly a 502 error basically just appears out of nowhere. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually fix this type of issues, this type of errors. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Well, first, a 502 error usually means a server or connection issue. So make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Make sure also you refresh the page, since temporary server issue can resolve quickly. Then go and check the Wix server status. Basically go ahead to your Google here and look for Wix server status. So all we're gonna do is Wix server. Okay, then we're gonna go down here, tap on enter. So as you see here, you will be having the current status of Wix servers is generally stable with no reported outages or maintenance issues. So if there is a problem, you should be able to see it here on their basically official website. You can go to down detector also to check them. Basically, you will find it on Google, so don't really worry about that. You should also disable any browser extensions. I'm talking here about ad blockers, VPNs, since they may cause the conflict. You should also try another browser or device, just if the issue is browser specific or device specific. Check any third-party apps installed in Wix or in your own website. Then try and reconnect the custom domain, since DNS issues can cause the 502 errors. And that's basically it. You can also contact the support as a last resort. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.